I'm gonna bottom load the frameless door windows because you guys know how I love to pop the door panels. Then we're gonna pop these gaskets out because they're really tight on these Teslas. It's nice to just get that factor of them being too tight and popping up out of the way. It's super easy. Spray, razor, then wipe. Alright, all prepped up, dryer sheets on the back window. We'll clean the inside of the back window right before we install it. Time to cut some patterns. Spray this, get it ready to lay out. Doing 20% ceramic on the back window, 35% ceramic on the sides.